Hello children, let us continue with fractions. In the previous session, we saw how to identify a fraction represented in a picture. So, the dots have been joined to make more triangles. You can see in the middle, triangles in the middle oru point and it is divided into more triangles. Number the equal parts of the triangle. Three equal parts in the triangle. You can see there are 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal parts are divided the quarter. There are 4 equal parts. Each equal part is called a quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. There are 4 quarters that make a whole. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Now, all 4 taken together will give you one whole. So, there are 4 quarters. That make a full. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R-S. Quarters. Okay. Divide each of these shapes into 2 identical and equal parts. Count the number of small squares in each shape. So, you have to divide this into 2 identical and equal parts. So, identical and equal parts in the we have to find the line of symmetry. Yeah. So, when you look at this picture, you can see it in the line of symmetry. So, when you draw a line, this is divided into 2 parts. You can see they are identical. Identical nu varnal endha kanda oru pole irikkunathu. Alle? So, identical aanu equal aanu. So, this is how you can divide this picture into 2 identical and equal parts. Now, coming to this, does this have a line of symmetry? This does not have a line of symmetry. We can divide this into equal parts, but we cannot divide this into 2 identical parts because it is a line of symmetry illa. Line of symmetry illa. Then we equal parts divide but identical parts divide. Equal parts have an even number of squares in you can see this has 12 squares. So 6 each will make it equal. Equal but it will not be identical because this is not a symmetrical picture. So ivide number equal aana but they are not identical. Now coming to this picture, you can see 6 squares under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry and you can see the top part is identical to the bottom part. So here we have divided this into identical and equal parts. Now when we divide this into equal parts, the number of small squares in each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of small squares 11. Here number of small divided 2 equal parts divided each shape small squares 11. Together 22. Similarly here one part will have 6 squares. Together 12. Now here 3. A part will have 3 and total it is 6. Color 2 different ways to show 1/3 of this rectangle. So, idile 1/3 part nammal shade cheyanam. So as mentioned earlier, ഇതിനെ 3 groups ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups ആയിട്ട് consider ചെയ്യുക. These are groups of 3. Now color one part of it. So let me just use a highlighter to color one part of it. This is 1/3 of it. Now another way is count the total number and 1/3 of it divided by 3 ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള value. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 in the 12 divided by 3, 4. So I'll color these 4. This is again 1/3 of this rectangle. This is 1/3 of this rectangle. Two different ways ആണ് ഇത് രണ്ടും, അല്ലേ? But it both represents the same fraction. രണ്ടും represent ചെയ്യുന്നത് 1/3 തന്നെയാണ്. Now color two different ways to show 3/4 of this rectangle. So 3/4 of this rectangle എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യം ഇതിനെ quarter is 1/4. Divide this into 1/4. So total എത്ര squares ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് നോക്കുക. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I can divide this into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts ആയിട്ട് divide ചെയ്യാൻ ഈ 4 columnsനെ ഓരോ group ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. This is 1/4. This is again 1/4. This is again 1/4. This is 1/4. അതായത് the whole picture is divided into 4 equal parts. You can see all are of the same size. They are equal. Right? So ഇതില് ഒരു കോളം കളർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് 3 columns കളർ ചെയ്താല് that represents 3/4. 3 columns cover ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് that represents 3/4. This represents 3/4. Now another way of doing it is take 4 rectangles, color 3 part of it. 4 rectangles, ഇത് 4നെ ഒരു group ആയിട്ട് എടുത്തു. ഇതില് 3 rectangles shade ചെയ്തു. Now take the next 4 rectangles, shade 3 out of it. Now 3 out of 4 rectangles. Four squares edukka, adil 3 color here. Now count the total number of squares that are colored. Here you can see it is 15. Video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these two represents the same 3 quarters ana random represent cheyanada, and these are two different ways of representing it. These two represent the same 3 quarters. Okay. Now comparison of fraction using same denominator. So let us look at this fraction. Comparison ennu parayumbo we need two different values. Let us look at this fraction and ee rendu fractions nokka. Ee rendu fractions, let us try to compare these two fractions. So when I am comparing two fractions, please see that idinte രണ്ടും ഒരേപോലത്തെ circles ആണ് അല്ലേ? ഒന്ന് സർക്കിളും ഒന്ന് ട്രയാങ്കിളും അല്ല. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് റിപ്രസെന്റഡ് ഇൻ എ സിമിലർ മാനർ. രണ്ടും ഒരുപോലെ റിപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇത് റിപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യണ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ എന്താണ്? ദിസ് ഇസ് 1/8. ഇവിടെ ടോട്ടൽ നോക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ യു ക്യാൻ സി ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ഇൻടു 8 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ്. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This represents 1/8 and this represents 2/8. ഇതിൽ ബിഗർ വാല്യൂ ഏതാണ്? ഏത് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണോ മോർ പ്ലേസ് ഓക്യുപ്പൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അത് ബിഗർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ്. യു ക്യാൻ സി ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൺലി ഇത്രയും ഇതിന്റെ സൈസ് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? ഇതിന്റെ സൈസോ ഇത്രയും ബിഗ് ആണ്. Now so which is big? 2/8 is greater than 1/8. അല്ലേ? 2/8 greater than 1/8. Or we can say that 1/8 is lesser than 2/8. 2/8 1/8 bigger ആണ്, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ 1/8 2/8 smaller ആണ്. Let us look at another fraction. ഇത് തന്നെ. So ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം കമ്പയർ ചെയ്തത് 1/8 ഉം 2/8 ആണ്. We saw 2/8 is bigger അല്ലേ? We saw 2/8 is bigger. Now let us look at another fraction. Now what fraction does this represent? This represents the fraction 5/8. Now when you compare 5/8 and 2/8, you can see 5/8 is greater than 2/8. 2/8 is greater than 1/8. 5/8 2/8 bigger ആണ്. 2/8 1/8 bigger ആണ്. So here we are comparing fractions with same denominator. So when we are comparing fractions with same denominator, greater the numerator, bigger the fraction. Either fraction nano bigger numerator illada, adu bigger fraction. So that is how we compare. Given the denominators are the same. Denominators are same anengil, bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. For smaller the numerator, smaller the fraction. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Comparison of fractions with same denominators. Please watch the video, children. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream. That's all for today. Thank you and take care.